installed DBT. We have a Postgres server running locally. We have connected our DBT with Postgres. We are going to get started with models. So models are basically the workflows which I was talking about. So we'll be going into depth on individual concepts of all these workflows, the meaning of different types of materializations, how we can configure like the whole config part which we can use. We'll go to the use of seeds, snapshots, tests. But before that, let's quickly get up and running on DBT. We'll create a model, and using this model, we are going to create a table in our local Postgres that we have just initialized. So I've already created a sample model here. So you can see sample model 1 is creating a table. It's just taking some sample data and doing a union. And for sample model 2, it depends on sample model 1. It's referencing the sample model 1 and it's just taking a where condition from here and it's creating another table. So typically the table that we create using this model will be named same in our database. So the table that gets created will be named sample model 1 from this model. The name of the .sql file is the name of the table. That's what we have to keep in mind. And this is how we can run. So let's run using dbt run. We can select and let's select sample. Let's run this. All right, so this got completed successfully. We can go to our Postgres. Let's see if we have the tables. So we'll just refresh this. So we can see that in Postgres, in sample schema that we had selected, if we go to tables, our sample model 1 has been created. We also ran sample model 2 and that got created as a view. So I'm going to explain this difference. So the difference lies here in the materialization that we define. So here we have defined typically that it should be a materialized table. However, we haven't defined anything here. So if you don't define anything, by default, it takes it as a view. However, this can be overwritten in the definition file. So we'll also be going back to that. But for now, I think what we have covered till now is we initialized a DBT project, we connected with our local Postgres server, we created our first sample model, and we have kickstarted our journey in DBT.